Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator itself. And this rabbit vibrator has a very modern design and simultaneously stimulates the G-spot and the clitoris, so you can only need to choose your favourite setting, and there are over 30 settings to choose from. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so the black part here is very soft and smooth and also has some slight ribbing on the shaft as well for extra stimulation. The clitoral stimulator here is slightly flexible to help with clitoral stimulation. As you can see, the shaft is also slightly curved as well for perfect G-spot stimulation. It's very simple and easy to use. To turn on, press on the middle button and the dashboard lights up. Click on the plus or the minus and it's on. To change to the 30 other settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. And to turn off, simply tap once on the middle button and it's now off again. To charge, it's very simple. Twist the base to the left and the charging point is located just here. Using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Once finished, just simply twist the base and it's done. Now, when using the Rabbit Vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.